Alright guys, this is gonna be bad audio because I don't have a mic yet, but this is just gonna be a test. Here's my new bike. It's a Honda CBR 250. Yeah, so this is it. We're gonna do a little test ride. I'm gonna try to talk to you guys at the same time. You guys probably won't be able to hear me, but it's just a little test here. Oops, my bad. Alright, let's do this, guys. So, if you guys can still hear me, I hope. Basically on this channel, I'm going to try to do a lot more motovlogs. So I think that'll be very, very cool. I'm going to have to get a mic. I have to get a mic to cancel out all the wind and stuff like that, and you guys will be able to hear me better. I hope this isn't too bad, guys, because I'm going to try to upload this. I'm going to try to upload this. I know that guy. What's his name? Eric. Yeah. It's my boy Eric. Anyway. Yeah, so I am hopefully gonna bring you guys some moto vlogs. I hope you guys enjoy this, because I've been so excited to bring you guys this content. I've been so excited. So let me know what you guys think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and head home. I'm gonna try to get this, make sure it's not too bad audio. Yeah, and if it's not too bad, I'm going to upload it. You know what? Maybe one of you guys post down in the comments what you guys think about these motovlogs. I am super excited. I really hope that you guys will enjoy this, and because I've been wanting to do this for a and I'm pretty new to motorcycles. See, let's see if I can get a wheelie. Nope, not working. Can't do it, guys. I'm gonna try to wheelie for you guys eventually. So, if you guys are watching this, y'all can tell me years later, when I have millions of subs, you guys can tell me that you guys have been here since my first ever motovlog, and here it is. Still recording? It is. Alright guys. Peace out, Girl Scout.